Marhaba, I'm belly dancer Jensuya. This is Bob, and we are going to lead you in a belly dance walking workout. If you've never belly danced before, this is a great way to try it. And if you are a belly dancer, this will be a fun and really different kind of workout. Bob's playing the belly drum, also called davul, and we're going to start out together. Yalla Habibi, let's get started. We're going to start out in basic belly dance posture, which is our feet close together, knees bent, hips tucked forward, chest lifted, abs engaged, and always keeping that nice posture throughout the whole thing. That's what makes it a belly dance walking workout. Now we're just going to start walking in place. Just walking, stepping to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And I'm going to show you from the side. I'm not, hanging in and up. Okay, but we're not really belly dancing yet, are we? So we're going to do the same thing, but watch. We're going to do it with our knees bent and staying bent. Woo! You're going to feel it here and here. Abs in, chest lifted. So now we're getting there. In walking in belly dance posture, just walking to the sound of the rhythm that Bob's playing on that davul. Okay, so to make it belly dance, here's where we're going to do. Make it softer there, Bob. It's really loud. Oh, is it really loud for you too? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our hips up and down, tiny steps, and focus on the hips going up and down with each step. Look how tiny my steps are now, right? And I'm taking my hips up and down right underneath me. We bring our arms here. Knees bent, abs engaged, chest lifted. See how those knees are bent? I know this is like a really different walking workout, right? We're not just gonna walk, this is a belly dance walk with our hips going up and down right underneath us. Not sideways, just underneath us. 2. And we can bring our arms up here, why not? How about like this? Or like this? And how are your knees? Don't let them go straight. Keep them bent. Abs in, chest lifted. Yes, nice. Okay, so that's our hips up and down right under, really embellishing that, really accentuating that move. Up and down and up and down, up and down. Tiny steps. I'm hardly lifting my feet off the floor, but keeping my knees bent, so I'm getting a really workout. Let's do another variation. This time, instead of up and down, we're going to take our hips to the side as we take a step. Push it, step and push, sideways, sideways, trying to keep our hips parallel to the floor. I've got it going a little slower right now. I'm going to show you from the side. Where's your knees? That's right, bent. Side, 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 side. I think Bob's telling us to pick up the pace, right? Here we go. And side, 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 side. Little steps. You could actually walk around the whole house like this. That's what I do lots of times if I hear something good playing or I want to practice. Whoop. Abs in, chest lifted, side, side, hip slide. I also call this the belly dance sway. You can check out on our channel. I have a technique tutorial so you can see how to actually do this move. We go nice and slowly and practice it here. Walking workout, belly dance, walking workout. Boom, 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 boom. What makes it belly dance? That's right, the posture. Knees bent, abs engaged. The look of it. Making it look like it's so easy, but I'm working hard, right? You're working hard? I know it. And we've got another variation. Let's do another variation, okay? This time we're gonna twist forward with a step. This is a little trickier because our knees are still bent and we're trying to keep our feet going straight forward, but twisting the hips and twisting them parallel to the floor so that it's not like a Latin dance. We're not releasing here. We're just twisting, 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 and twisting. Twisting, twisting, twist with the step. Twist, 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 twist. You got that? A little trickier, right? I mean, for me, this is the trickiest one. Twist, twist, twist and twist. So this walking workout, you're actually getting a lot of core work. I mean, it is belly dance, right? I think we should pick up the pace. We want that really nifty beat. Bob was playing rhythm he was playing before. Here we go. Can you do that one again? Yeah. That makes it easier, right? From the side. Woo! Twisted, 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 twisted. Woo! Are you getting I hope you're not getting a cramp. If you're getting a cramp, then just go back to up and down or sideways, or just go back to walking with your knees bent. So we have the 3 variations, right? Let's do the up and down again. How about if we take our hands up like this? Up and down, up and down. Woo! Abs in, chest lifted, shoulders dropped. And hips going up and down, right underneath us. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And what was the next variation? So let's bring our arms down and let's take them down here. And hip slide, belly dance sway. Woo. Throwing those hands in there for a little variation, right? Whew. Sideways. Mr. Bob playing the melody drum called Gavul in Turkish. So if this is your first time with us, you're going to want to check out the channel afterwards and see all the nifty videos we have all about belly dance, technique tutorials, lots more workouts. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the twisting one for 30 seconds. And I'm going to go up there in the corner and show you, while we're doing this, our Introduction to Belly Dance online course. Here we go, 30 seconds. If you want to learn to belly dance without my cues or choreography, to know which moves to do no matter what the music is, Introduction to Belly Dance online course is going to empower you with those skills. With the course guide, 2 suggested schedules, and 20 professionally produced videos, by the end of the course, you'll have a solid foundation in the essential skills of belly dance. Enroll today at school.jensuya.com or use the link in the description. Did you do it? Did you do the whole 30 seconds? Yay, let's go to hip slide because, oh my gosh, it's going to get boring if we just do one thing. Take our arms up. Little tiny steps, knees bent, abs engaged, chest lifted. Really pushing those hips out to the side, hip bones parallel to the floor. Boom, 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 boom. And what's our other variation? The first one we started with? That's right, vertical. Whoops, lost the beat there for a second. Woo. Belly dance is all about dancing to the music, actually making it look like your body is playing the music. That's what we're doing here. Got the beat and the rhythm going there, Mr. Bob. Have you had a great time? I've had a great time. Are you sweating? Yes, me too. When we are done, if you've had a fabulous time, which I think you have because you're still here, hit that like button. If you want to learn more, do more workouts, subscribe, make your own playlist of workouts. Oh, and you know it, when you're ready to learn how to belly dance from the very beginning, go to school.jensuya.com, hip slide, and enroll in the Introduction to Belly Dance. Yalla Habibi! We will see you on the next video.